Welcome back to Sun Crypto. In today's content, I'm just going to give a update about this that video I made couple weeks ago about WANCHAIN, ICX, Nano, Navcoin, AMB, and Xlm, right? So the rest, WANCHAIN and ICX already made a nice breakout, right? Also AMB made a small breakout, but the rest are Xlm, Nano, and Navcoin, and they breaking out all at the same time, right? So I'm just going to give a quick update about these coins, right? So when you take a look at the Navcoin, when you take a look at this trend line, that's the most respected trend line, right? You could be drawing your trend line like this, but it's not the most respected one because this one is the most respected resistance line, right? So we're breaking out of it. So what I'm looking for Navcoin to do at least before 7 o'clock Eastern time, right? I'm looking for Navcoin to close outside this trend line. So that's the first thing, right? If Navcoin like close below this trend line, it's not going to be a good thing, right? At least for the short term. We might wait for another breakout. So but if we let's say we close above this 50 EMA and then 100 EMA, and at the same time close above this resistance line, we're most likely going to continue the uptrend with another 30% move to the upside, right? So keep an eye on Navcoin. I've been saying it the last couple of weeks since Navcoin was below this area of 50 EMA. So it's no coincidence, right? All the alt will be moving today. Will be going back to the October high. So keep an eye on Navcoin. So you're looking at Navcoin going back to October high. So you would be looking at roughly another 30%, not much though, another 30% move to the upside. So unlike ICX and WANCHAIN went up like almost double in price. So but still 30% is pretty good in a in this bear market, right? So the next one we're going to take a look at is Nano. When you take a look at Nano, I've been talking about this formation like since Nano was right around this area. I said like Nano gonna get as close as possible to the end of the triangle. So you can go back and watch my updates, right? Altcoin update and all my videos. I've been talking about Nano getting as close as possible to this end of the triangle. So basically what Nano did, we made a ABC correction to the upside and a sideways correction. So basically if you watch my previous video, Dash is making the same type of formation, but Dash is making it above this area of 100 EMA, right? Dash is making this nice formation. So keep an eye on Dash. As soon as this batch of bull run is done, the next batch of bull run going to be going ballistic. So the market has bottom, so you just gotta know how to read the market. So all alt not going to move in all of them not going to go ballistic at the same time. So but if you take a look at the Nano, it's pretty safe right now. Nice looking chart. If you didn't buy right around this area of accumulation, you don't need to buy it because you're gonna panic as not surprised, get a 5-10% move to the downside. If we on the next sell-off, you're most likely gonna lose a lot of money. So no need to be buying Nano right now because you missed the opportunity to accumulate from this area. So or at least wait for a pullback to this area of 100 EMA. So when you take a look at Nano, we're most likely going to go back to this area of let's see, first week of November. So you would be looking at another just about let's see another 20% move to the upside, right? The next couple of weeks, right? So but if you bought like Nano, when I was talking about right around this area, you would be looking at another 35% move to the upside, right? But you have to be patient, right, to be waiting for this accumulation. So Nano is pretty safe at this moment. Nice breakout, moving above this area of 100 EMA. Gonna consolidate the next couple of days, just like Chainlink, right? I don't talk about Chainlink, but Chainlink has already bottomed. Very nice chart, just like Nulls. BNB, let's see, Tron, right? They all got a nice bottom formation. So but let me know what you think down below the comment section. If you want me to cover any other alt, right? I follow like many alt. Some of them I don't trade them, some of them I don't even buy. I mean, I don't even care about them, but I just like the chart, right? So the next coin we're gonna take a look at is Xlm When you take a look at Xlm, if you've been following my video, right, when Xlm was right around this area, right, let's go back to the RSI, right, when Xlm was completely oversold, right, just about this area, right. If you've been following my videos, right, I said Xlm is the safest coin to be buying right now, and Xlm going to be ballistic. So we made this impulse move to the upside, right, and I said Xlm going to get a slight pullback, and then it made this like a bull flag on the RSI. So you got to understand all of this. And then I said Xlm, as soon as we break this area of resistance, we're going to go ballistic to the upper level of the RSI like a 70, 74 to, we could even get like to 85. I think Xlm is bullish enough to get like 85 to 86. I'm not sure about 90 RSI, but at least like 80, let's say 74, just to be safe, right? So I've been following Xlm from this area, right, since the first week of February, right, down to this area right now. So it's pretty bullish. So Xlm is one of the safest coin to be buying right now. I've been saying it, right? So, and then if you take a look at the bottom formation of Xlm, is kind of special. It doesn't look like a Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin. It's just the only coin that look like Xlm is XEM, NEM, right? And then if you pay a clear attention to the market, NEM and Xlm, they were supposed to break out at the same time, but NEM has to give up and let Xlm go, right? So, but keep an eye on NEM. As not Xlm start to pull back, NEM gonna go ballistic, like a 25 to 30% move to the upside. So just keep an eye on NEM also. But when you take a look at the Xlm, we made a nice ABC correction to the upside, right? I've been saying it. And then let's go, let me just draw this correctly. We made a nice ABC correction to the upside, and then another 3-wave down, right? I would think like we're gonna come back and retest this low, but Xlm just kind of stay strong, and then we got a big accumulation move to this area, right? So, and then if you take a look at this area, it is most likely 0.618. let's see, exactly 0.618, right? So it's no coincidence Xlm being accumulated at 0.618. So you got to pay attention to these move. And I said, like, as soon as we break out this area, the first challenge for Xlm is to break this area of 50 EMA, and then we're not even like getting any challenge from it. So most likely the next challenge is this area of 100 EMA the next 24 to 48 hours. So my ultimate target from Xlm is to get into this area, right? This green box right here, that's a magic box, right? So we're gonna get into this box, right? Let's say the next couple of weeks, right? So you would be looking at like another 20% move to the upside versus BTC. So you say if BTC goes like 10%, so you're looking at another almost 25 to 30% move for Xlm for dollar, as far as dollar value, right? So if you've been buying Xlm since since I've been talking about Xlm right around this area, you would be looking at almost 50% move, right? You could like almost double your portfolio before the summer, right? So that's about it for today. So let me know what you think about these coins, Xlm Nano, and then which one again? Xlm Nano and Navcoin, right? So they're gonna go ballistic before the next batch of the alt, like NEXUS, Dash, ZILLIQA, NEBLIO, take off, right? So all these coins, they have to take off before the next batch take over, right? So if you're new to the content, make sure to hit the like, subscribe to support the channel, and let me know what you think down below the comment section, right? So, and that's it for today.